Welcome to the two-tier pull-out baskets installation video. Before you begin, you will need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. Begin by measuring your cabinet opening to ensure the unit you have purchased is the correct size for your application. There is a link in the description below that shows you how to measure your cabinet opening. Stand the U-shaped support brackets up on a flat surface. Connect the slides to the lowest position on the U-shaped brackets. Push to lock into place. Align the holes of the slides with the U-shaped brackets and secure using the M4 machine screws. Determine the height you would like your top basket frame. Gently secure the top slide set screws. Do not tighten all the way so they can be adjusted later if needed. Insert the rear support brackets to the top pair of slides and press them to the closed position. Place the unit inside the cabinet. We will demonstrate in both a face frame and a frameless cabinet. First, face frame. Slide to the opposite side of your cabinet hinges to avoid interference. Set the front slide 1/4 inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. Ensure the slide assembly is completely square. Pre-drill the top hole using the 3/32 inch bit. Next, secure the top slide to the face frame using the number 8 by 1/2 inch flathead screw. Attach the frame assembly to the cabinet floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws. Carefully push the two rear support brackets to the rear of the cabinet. It is important for the slides to be parallel to the side wall. Once flush with the back wall, secure the slotted holes using the number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws. Pull out the bottom slides and set the basket frame against the back hooks on the slides. Install the basket frame using the thumb screws. Place the basket fences into the holes on the basket frame. Install the second-tier basket frame. Once complete, go back and fully tighten the top slides. For frameless applications, use the frameless adapter kit. Set the front of the slide 1/4 inch back from the front edge of the cabinet. Pre-drill 2 holes directly through the front U-shaped bracket. Insert the screw through the plastic spacer. Secure directly to the side wall. Extend the rear support brackets flush with the back wall and attach using the number 8 by 3/4 inch screws. If you are installing a third shelf to make this a 3-tier organizer, repeat the same process. Since the second shelf is secure, you will not need to drill directly into the face frame. You will need to purchase a single basket, sold separately. If your baskets do not freely slide in and out, that most likely means your unit is not completely square with the cabinet opening, or your slides are not parallel with the side wall. If you have purchased the door mount kit, sold separately, then you will center your unit in the middle of the cabinet. There is a link in the description below that demonstrates how to install the door mount kit. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.